Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to schedule your NCLEX exam. First, you must meet your State Board of Nursing's eligibility requirements for licensure. After that, apply for licensure directly with your Board of Nursing. Simultaneously, register with Pearson VUE, creating an account and paying the $200 examination fee. These initial steps are crucial for moving forward in the scheduling process. Once your Board of Nursing confirms your eligibility to Pearson VUE, you will receive an authorization to test, or AT, via email. This ATT is your golden ticket to scheduling. It's usually valid for an average of 90 days, but always check your specific document for the exact expiration date. You must schedule and complete your exam before this period ends, so don't delay. With your ATT in hand, you are ready to book your exam appointment. Visit the Pearson VUE website and use the information from your ATT to select a test center location and a date that works best for you. It is highly recommended to schedule your exam as soon as possible after receiving your ATT to ensure you get your preferred testing slot and avoid any last-minute rush. On your test day, plan to arrive at the test center at least 30 minutes prior to your scheduled appointment time. Remember to bring one valid, government-issued identification that includes both a photo and your signature. Before the big day, thoroughly review the NCLEX Candidate Bulletin. It contains all essential test day policies and procedures, ensuring you are fully prepared for a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.